One of the best things about the Affiliate Automation Academy is that it's built for complete beginners. The training shows you step by step how to set up your Instagram account to start promoting affiliate products. You'll also get done for you templates, including bio templates, viral video systems, and even scripts for engagement. This means you don't have to figure things out alone. The Academy gives you everything to plug in and go. The program also includes a daily routine that takes only 20 minutes. Beginners don't have to worry about complicated setups or long work days. Just follow the plan and let the automation tools handle most of the heavy work, like messaging prospects and sharing your offers. Another big advantage for beginners is that the system focuses on high-ticket affiliate products. Instead of chasing small commissions, you can earn $1,000 or more from just one sale. That's the kind of motivation beginners need to keep going. And if ever you feel stuck, you also have access to a private support group where you can get help and encouragement from others using the system. So if you're a beginner and want a simple way to start, join the Affiliate Automation Academy today using the link in my description.